So then this is what I've sort of concluded from this whole experience. I don't want to teach in my basement anymore, but we're going to go back on campus next week and get into it again. But Beyond Labs gave us a chance to solve that problem. You know, we're chemists, we're problem solvers. Beyond Labs helped me solve that problem. We got the organic labs done under difficult circumstances. Students were definitely able to understand the workflow of what organic chemistry experiments are about. Experimentation was possible, which just isn't possible with undergrads. It's dangerous. And a lot more critical thinking. And a lot less cookbook chemistry, a lot less just go through the motions, a lot more thinking. The availability of that qualitative analysis module is wonderful because you do get that historical perspective of, you know, Woodward won a Nobel Prize without an NMR spectrometer way back. And now we're spoiled with NMR spectrometers, right? But we need to understand that perspective. And then students were pushed to design their own experiments. You don't get to do that very often. And then last thing I want to say is what we're going to do with this going forward. We're definitely using this from now on. I've got all my sheets ready to go, and we're going to use this in the summer and the fall, and we're going to use Blackboard to organize everything because I think it really helps. And then Beyond Labs, definitely for some pre-lab and post-lab work as an add-on to what we're doing in person. And then certainly the spectra and the qualitative analysis part gives us some things that we would struggle with otherwise. Online final exams that we've been given, again, let's give them a task. Go do this. You have an hour to make this molecule. Go do it. That's something we couldn't do otherwise. And then I'm going to be bringing the actual videos into my lecture class, which is not something I hadn't thought about before. If we're talking about putting a reaction together and looking at rates of reaction, you can actually demonstrate that with this. You can use it in lecture and not just in lab. Okay, so that's pretty much what I have to say. Thanks very much.